Some people, they believe a downturn in RV sales can be seen as a signal that a recession is on the way. And right now, we're 14 months into a slump that started in June of 2018. So year to date, sales of towables, they've fallen by 20%, motorhomes by 23%. So just to keep this in historical perspective, there have been 5 RV sales downturns since 1981, according to Thomson Research Group. Only 2 of those, both tied for the longest at 36 months, have actually preceded recessions. One before the early 90s recession, one before the Great Recession. Since 2009, RV sales have increased pretty dramatically when the rates on the 10-year Treasury note decrease. But this year, that's abruptly changed. The 10-year falling by 25%, RV sales falling by 20%. Concerning trends, but certainly not the whole story. Tariffs have raised input costs and prices for RVs, and especially for Thor and Winnebago. They've also put pressure on parts makers like Lippert Components that put the parts into those RVs. Also, you have to consider the RV market, the RV rental market has expanded, growing an estimated 45% since 2009. On the other side, today we're getting a positive sign from the commercial vehicle sector. Truck tonnage, which can also be seen as an economic indicator, surged in July, more than 7% year over year, and increased 6.6% from June. Now, this chart right here we're about to show you, this shows some of the ups and downs in the industry, but you can see from the start of 2017, a relatively upward trend. And important to note, this number is dominated by contract rates, which are higher priced than spot rates. So 2 sides of the story here, one from recreational, one from commercial.
But the bottom line here is it sounds like RV sales, it may seem like a good economic indicator, but there are all sorts of caveats to this one.
Exactly, especially recently with tariffs, really kind of throwing a monkey wrench in the idea that this is an economic indicator, but also not that reliable. It's only 2 out of 5 in the last about 30 years.
Yeah.
And the fall in the 10-year bond has been a relatively recent phenomenon this year. So I don't know whether you would expect the lag to finally get caught up by the sales, but we'll find out. We will.